This Chromebook tablet configuration update will cover accessing the home screen. When your Chromebook is in tablet mode, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access your Chromebook home screen. This is like accessing all of the apps that are installed on your Chromebook. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to flip my Chromebook into tablet mode. And if you look down at the very bottom where the shelf used to be, there's a little line right there in the middle. I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to swipe up from that line. And here is my Chromebook tablet home screen with all of the apps. I can swipe up and down until I find the app I want, and then I'll just tap that app and it will open it for me. So that's how you can quickly get to the home screen when your Chromebook is in tablet configuration.